Well, you guys can laugh all you want to, but I have a 9-month-old, and instead of buying baby food, yes, we do cook his food in the REC TEC before we mash it. We've done pears, we've done sweet potatoes. He loves green beans, he loves peas, all of that stuff. We really do cook it in the grill, and we really do mash it up, and we make our own baby food. So yeah, my baby likes everything off the REC TEC.
So we do probably pizza night once a week, and my kids go ballistic. I make between 16, 18, 12-inch pizzas. They probably eat 10 that night, and we freeze the rest. And yeah, that's probably their favorite thing.
That's awesome.
Yeah, wood-fired pizza, can't go wrong.